YouTube. All right, so clearly, these YouTube channels that everyone has, everyone decides to make up their own hashtags to draw in attention for their channel. So clearly, as you can see in this video, I specifically have two hashtags that are directed towards my channel. One is the top one, which says Marie Diary 712. The other one is, I kind of like circled them, and I circled the second one. The second one is Marie Diary 370. So YouTube, if it's not no funny business going on, if it's not no funny weird stuff going on with my channel, for one, why is it saying under those two hashtags that, from what I'm getting, that they're connected to, the first one being, I'm thinking it's saying it's being connected to 3 channels, and the other one is being connected to, okay, so now I highlighted them with the red arrows, and the second one is, from what I'm getting, is being connected to 5 channels. Why is that being allowed, or why is that, like, I don't know. So does that mean that if those hashtags are being used on another channel, they're getting credited for my hashtags, but I'm not even getting monetized or anything yet? So I'm trying to figure that out. And for 2, so we're on the YouTube studio, and I feel like I did make a video. I was about to say I feel like I did, but I made a video about this before. You see how the last video is popping up with a 0. That has been going on this YouTube channel of mine for at least a good year. So that's another thing. 2, I already stated 1. Number 2, why is, when you go to YouTube Studio, why is, when you go to the 60 minutes, because sometimes it's a whole bunch of these that has a 0 by it, that's popping up like that. YouTube, explain to me, why is that going on? Because that has been going on my YouTube for well over at least a year or so, or something like that. And it'll be like, because it looks like somebody's clicking on the video, like it's kind of giving me like somebody watching the video, but it's not showing up on my end. So I don't know if that has something to do with what I was explaining and what I was stating for number 1. This is number 2. Again, like sometimes it'll pop up where it's a whole bunch of videos with the 0 by it. So YouTube, explain to me why, what does that mean for that? Like, I'm not understanding why that is still going on my channel.